We are with a water-cooled 996 transmission, Boxster S. Having the same problem, all the pinion shaft and main shaft bearings, lack of grease. You can see the pitting right here, really heavy. Balls all the way around with its plastic famous cage. All these bearings are sealed. They have a special magical grease that's supposed to be lifetime lasting. We've yet to see that. And all these that this is how they come out. There's no grease. They're fully dry. And you want a pinion shaft and main shaft bearing. These bearings, since they get lack of oil, grease, once the high RPMs that we've seen with the 996 and Boxster S, they rev so high, grease starts to get hot and melt and just pull out of the transmission. If you look at this transmission here, this 996 transmission, here's a full gear stack, pinion shaft stack, main shaft stack. This is another customer sent it in and do a rebuild on it. We're going to come down right here. This is where the magnet is, where your drain plug. You have a drain plug here, and right next to it is a magnet. It pulls everything down. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Let's take a look at this thing. Almost looks like a pastry. See that? That's actually not how it's supposed to look. See these soft pillows? Now watch this. This all comes off. This is all the bearing grease from those pinion and main shaft bearings. Okay? It's all melted out. These bearings right now in here are completely dry. Put this back. It has to be cleaned anyway. We're going to come down here, get a close-up look. This is another customer's transmission. Bearing got so hot the race were trying to get out, but that big pillow thing just wiped off clean. That's what it's supposed to look like. So all this grease of coming out with the oil and all that, you still have all this buildup. That's from the bearings, upper and lower. Now, we have a lot of customers saying, hey, my transmission feels good. I'm not sure if I hear something or not. Is there any way without having to open up the whole transmission see that if my bearing grease is melted, which we've yet to see them not, but we'll do a little quick check. Pull your drain plug out here. Bottom of the transmission. If your car, this transmission is sitting upwards, so if this is level, transmission fluid will come out, so be careful, it's not hot. Now, take your pinky, or where has the smallest pinky in your household. I'm 6'2", I'm a big guy, but my pinky fits in here. And I want you to come down, come around and feel towards here. Come out, I got grease. Wipe my finger off. Come back down, feel around. I can even feel that washer. I can even move it a little bit. Try not to get my hand stuck. Have a little bit. That's actually is not too bad. But if you take it, we come back over here. You can take this drain plug out. Okay, got a little oil leakage here. Wipe your finger, come in here and feel. Come back out and get all that. But we wiped it off, get a whole bunch. See my finger in here? You can wipe this stuff out and come back out with it. You need to tear it down fast, because if not, then you can damage this whole main shaft and pinion shaft will start rocking. And you tear up gear sets, cages, bearings. It gets pretty bad. That's it.